Hi guys, it's Katie. I have my meal plan for Meal Plan Monday. My baby is slurping spaghetti right beside me, so that's what you hear. So anyway, okay, so Monday we're going to have a grain bowl, and so it's going to be a quinoa grain bowl, and I'm going to do roasted eggplant and zucchini and chickpeas, and I'm going to make a tahini dressing. And this is based off of a summer salad that I like to make when I grill zucchini and eggplant. But the flavors go really good together, and roasted eggplant or grilled eggplant just gets like yummy and creamy, and it kind of helps make a sauce when you stir it all together. And then chickpeas, if you've never taken canned chickpeas and roast them, they're really good. They get a little bit more like bite to them, and I don't know, I just really like them. And I'm gonna probably put some different spices on the eggplant and zucchini, so maybe probably some smoked paprika and garlic powder, something like that. Tuesday I'm going to make ham and bean soup. Last time we had a ham, I took the ham bone and made stock and chopped up the ham into like bite-sized pieces, so it's ready to go. I have beans soaking, and I'm going to hopefully get some greens to go in that as well. And then I just do like carrots, onions, celery as other vegetables. On Wednesday I'm going to have tarragon chicken and rice with a vegetable. That video is on my channel. I have some frozen chicken breasts, but I might save those. I might use my canned chicken breasts. I did some home canned chicken breasts, and this is a really great recipe to use it up with, because this recipe is meant for the chicken to kind of fall apart into shreds, and having it canned makes it really quick to do. And if it's going to get, you know, shredded up anyway, then canned chicken tends to shred. So I have two options for that. We'll see. On Thursday, my husband wanted bratwurst, so I'm going to do like bratwurst sandwiches with rolls and kraut and some kind of vegetable, probably just something quick as far as the vegetable. Friday, we're going to have stuffed pepper soup. My friend Tess at Tess Cooks For You has a great stuffed pepper soup recipe. I will link down below, but it's all of the great flavors in stuffed peppers, so some ground beef, rice, bell peppers, a little bit of tomato sauce, and it's super easy and it's really delicious. On Saturday, I'm going to make beef and bean burritos. I have some home canned pinto beans, so I'm probably, I don't know, I'm either going to do beef with like whole red beans, which I have home canned, or I'm going to make refried beans. I saw Life of the Homemaker made just bean burritos with refried beans, and they looked really good. And I'm going to have to make tortillas for that meal, and I have that recipe down below. I have a sourdough tortilla recipe. And then Sunday, we're going to have halushka. That's braised cabbage, bacon, and sometimes I do dumplings, but I think I'm going to do noodles. I have leftover egg noodles from the tuna noodle casserole from last week, which, by the way, was delicious. So I'll probably use those egg noodles. That's kind of how my mom always made it growing up. But I do have this recipe, including how to make the dumplings, on my channel already. So I have some food prep for this week. I want to make the rolls, tortillas, soak the beans, which I've already done. Soak the rice for, I guess, the stuffed pepper soup. When I have a chance to remember, I like to soak and sprout brown rice, so we'll do that. I need to go to Costco and one other store. I probably won't put the grocery haul on this video because I got to get it up for Meal Plan Monday. So hopefully you enjoyed this, got some ideas. If you've tried any new great recipes, we would all love to hear about them in the comments down below, and I will see you next Monday, if not sooner. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!